In this video, we will write a program for iterative version of merge sort, that is using loop. So already we have used a project called sorting and we have written all the sorting procedures inside the same project. So in the same project, I will write on the functions for merge sort. So for merging, already we have seen that we have to write a function for merge separately. So first of all, I will write a function for merge, that is merging two lists from a single array. So it needs three parameters, that is low, mid, and high. These are the three indexes and the first parameter is the array. Then I need the variables like I, j, and k, and also we need a array b, that is auxiliary array b, of some size. So instead of deciding how much size I need and all, I will take some maximum size temporarily. So if at all you want to decide the size, then you can take the size. If at all you want to judge what the size required, then you can declare the array of required size. Now here, just to make it easy and simple, I have made it 100 size. Now we have to run a while loop, that is that is comparing and copying the elements while I is less than or equal to mid and j is less than or equal to high. And every time we should check the elements, that is if a of I, if it is less than a of j, then in b of k plus plus we should copy an element from a of I plus plus. Otherwise, in b of k plus plus we should copy the element from a of j plus plus. This process should continue as long as the elements are available to compare. And once one of the list ends, we should stop and copy the remaining elements either from the first list. So if I is not less than equal to mid, it should continue and copy the elements. So in b of k plus plus, it should copy the elements from a of I. And same way, if there are remaining elements in second list, that is j is less than high, equal to high, and j plus plus, it should copy the elements in b of k plus plus from a of j. And after copying all the remaining elements, we should transfer all the elements from low to high, from array b to a back again. So I is less than equal to high and I plus plus. So every time a of I is copied with b of I. This is for transferring the elements. So this function already we have discussed, we have seen it. So the same function I have written. Then here I will write on a function for merge sort, that is I merge sort, iterative merge sort. Then it should take the parameters, that is array of elements and the number of elements n. Then inside this we need few variables like I, p, and low, high, and mid. Then first for loop is for passes, p, that is first pass, that is the gap in between the elements, that is the list size will be 2, and we will continue while p is less than equal to n, and p will be moving by p into 2, so always the list size will be getting double. Then for inner for loop, this is for merging all the list in a single pass. So I should start from 0. I is I plus p minus 1 is less than n. This already we have discussed. Then I should be incremented by I plus p. Then here we will find out low, that is I, and high, that is I plus p minus 1. And then we will find out mid, that is the floor value. So floor value, anyway these are integers, so we will directly get floor value low plus high divided by 2. So we got low, mid, and high. Then we will call merge function, which we have already written there. That is array and the low and the mid value and high value. That's it. So this for loop will perform one pass and it will merge all those small list of size 2 each. Then it will become 4 elements each and goes on. Then at last I should see that if p by 2 is less than n, means if there are some more elements remaining, then we should merge array of elements starting from 0 and p by 2 comma n minus 1. That's all. So this all we have discussed and I have explained you. I have written the code, the same code I am writing here. Now let us call merge sort, that is I merge sort, from the main function. Oops, it did not show the list properly. It has not sorted. There are some warnings. Okay, let us check what is the error, what is the problem. Oh, I, J, K, they are not initialized. Oh yes, I have not initialized them. I should be L and J should be mid plus 1 onwards and K should also be L. Now they are initialized. Let us run. Let us check the elements. They are sorted. Yes, 3. Sorry. Oh, 3 is missing here. 3 is at the last. So it means 3 is not included in the list. So there is one more problem in this one. So why 3 is not included? Let us check. P by 2 minus 1. Yes. See, we are having indices starting from 0 onwards. So if there are 8 elements means 0 to 7. So it should be minus 1. P by 2 may be 8, but minus 1 I should take. Let us run now. Yes, perfect. So it has sorted all the elements. So that's all. This is a iterative version of merge sort. Anyway, merge sort is a two-way merge sort only, but because this is iterative and one is recursive, so this one is called as two-way merge sort. The next we'll be looking at recursive merge sort and also we will see the program for that one.